everybody, and welcome to this one brand tutorial featuring Too Faced. I'm starting off with my foundation. I am using the Born This Way foundation. This is the original one. The matte one didn't even come out when I filmed this, so I'm just applying that with my Real Technique sponge. And today I am outside doing my voiceover, so if you guys hear anything crazy, that's what's going on. I'm so sorry. There's always a party in this neighborhood, so I'm just hoping I can get through this voiceover today, so pray for me. So yeah, I'm just applying that all over my face, and then for eye primer, I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, just because I bought the glitter glue, but I wanted to try the concealer. I like coverage on my eyelids, so I'm just blending that all out, and then to set it so that it doesn't crease, I'm using the Born This Way Powder Foundation. The one product that's not Too Faced is my eyebrow pencil. I'm so sorry, I just have to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So today I'm going to feature the Sweet Peach palette because this is one of my favorites. I love it. I'm starting off with Georgia and just applying just a light wash. This is my transition color. I'm using that Sigma E40 and, you know, just buffing it back and forth, just my usual technique. And then we're going to go into Summer Yum. I love this color. It's like the perfect, like chocolatey, orangey brown. And I'm putting this in the crease and in the outer V. This brush is the Sigma E25. If you guys don't mind, let me know what brand you want to see next. I know the full face using one makeup brand isn't a new thing, but this is the first time I'm doing it, and I had a lot of fun, especially with Too Faced because it's my favorite makeup brand. So let me know down below if you guys don't mind. Now I'm mixing Peach Pit and Delectable and putting that in the outer corner, and I'm also bringing it up into my crease. So now I'm just blending those shades out. I didn't pick up any extra product or anything like that, simply blending. And what I love about Too Faced shadows, they're just so easy to use. They're super forgiving, great for beginners. You cannot go wrong with them. So now that the crease and the outer V are done, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and just concealing the inner portions of my lid. I'm prepping them for the shimmery color that I'm going to put all over the lid. Of course, I like to blend the concealer out with my finger so that it's not too thick, and then I sprayed my brush with the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray and then packed on Bellini all over my lid. I'm not sure why I didn't show you. I'll show you a picture up here, but the way Bellini, Peach Pit, and Delectable looked in the pan, in the palette, it just looks so pretty. So that's kind of how I got inspired to do this look today. Those three shades together, I'm just like, oh wow, that looks pretty. So of course, I'm blending it out and then adding a little bit more of the darker shade to blend in the shimmery color with my crease color, and then I am just doing the same thing to my other eye. So now it's time to conceal my under eyes and also clean up my eyeshadow edges. I'm using the same exact concealer I've been using the whole video, the Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I've been noticing I'm using way too much concealer, so I really got to tone it down a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna stop doing that, but also my cat chewed my sponge, so that's why it's destroyed. So thank you, Graham, so much. You're the best. So now I'm taking Peaches and Cream and just highlighting right underneath my eyebrow. I'm also blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. That's just what I've been doing lately, and I've been liking the look, so that's what I'm doing here. To set my under eyes, I'm using, yes, the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. If you guys can't tell, this tutorial was not hard for me to do at all because I use a lot of Too Faced products. To set my nose, I'm using the powder foundation. And then for the outer corners, for the outer portion of my lower lash line, I'm taking Peach Pit and Delectable and then blending that out with Georgia. For mascara, you guessed it, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just applying it to my lashes. This has never been a favorite mascara of mine. It's always kind of been like mediocre. So now I'm going back to the face, and I'm using the Sweet Tea bronzer, which is one of my favorite bronzers ever. It just looks so pretty. So I'm applying that to my forehead and also to my cheekbones. Now I'm using my Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palettes and picking up the shade Peach Honey, which is like a nice shimmery bronze, and I'm applying that to my cheeks. And then once I do that, I'm taking the Ethereal Setting Powder again and just baking right underneath that, kind of cleaning it up. And then I'm going back into the Sugar Peach palette and taking the highlight, it's called Peach Pearl, and just applying that really quickly because I don't like that powder sitting long. If I have it sitting too long, it looks a little bit harsh. So I'm going to hurry up and blend that out. Please say hi to the neighbor's dog that just won't stop barking. So after that's nice and blended and everything, I'm going to take the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's called My Type, which is the perfect, like, everyday natural lipstick. And just applying that to my lips. Oh my god, this dog. Now it's just funny at this point, you guys, you know. There I was feeling myself, and now I'm setting everything with the Hangover RX spray. I am drying myself, and then boom, this tutorial is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. So sorry about the noise. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!